Using a biodegradable laundry detergent sheets is better for the environment than using a liquid or powder detergent for several reasons. The bio-detergent sheets, it's made from natural and renewable ingredients that break down easily in the environment, reducing the amount of harmful chemicals that end up in waterways and landfills. Conventional laundry detergents can contain synthetic fragrances, dyes, and other harsh chemicals that can be harmful to aquatic life and the environment. One bio-detergent sheet, on the other hand, are typically free from these harmful ingredients. Biodegradable detergents are often packaged in eco-friendly materials, such as recycled paper or plant-based plastics, which further reduces their environmental impact. We prefer to make the concept completely an ecological package, coating paper with BioVitalio. It provides protection in the event of wetting and is certified biodegradable and recyclable. This detergent sheets of biodegradable detergent are highly concentrated, which means that you can use less detergent per load of laundry, reducing the amount of packaging waste and energy required for transportation. Overall, using a biodegradable laundry detergent is a simple and effective way to reduce your environmental impact and promote sustainability in your daily life. Thank you, and remember that small actions make a big difference.